Huh? Not gonna hit? Yeah.
6 inches from the rain gutter.
There it is. Kinda dark under here. Pretty solid under here yet too.
Yeah.
I noticed by the gas tank though it had a hole in the frame though.
Yeah.
That's in the back.
It's behind the suspension.
Yeah. You could pull a big camper with it though, with the frame rotted out. Have to patch that in.
Yeah.
Good on this side. Got airbags in it?
What's it got here? It does.
Wonder if the airbags work. And we got airbags. Or maybe them are big cushions.
Well, they got air valves in the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. Ha. No, it's solid under here. Change the exhaust pipe to headers because we got them for nothing.